and come and attend this program, and having spoken from his heart. And I think a person like Dr. Didi in himself is a person who has seen so much, contributed so much to our people and our state. He himself is a legend, I should say. And sir, we are very honored that you have come here today, and more importantly, shared your experiences and shared your thoughts and different anecdotes that you had about late pe.a. Sangma. And we all know that you worked with him, so you really got to know him from a very young age and saw his entire political career. And I think all the different anecdotes and the stories that you have given today are, I think, truly very insightful, meaningful, and very heartwarming to hear all those stories that you had. So once again, on behalf of the family, sir, and on behalf of pe.a. Sangma Foundation and Synod College, and all of us who are present here, we'd like to thank you for having come all the way here and shared your thoughts. I am a bit disappointed though. I really thought that we would have a lot of people out here today. But it is sad to see that feels like when the person is gone, then people don't remember. And it is sad to see that this hall is half empty. And maybe the organizing was not enough, or maybe people have slowly started forgetting pe.a. Sangma. But either way, I think it is, I should say, quite sad to see that people are not remembering the leaders and the people who have done so much. Ansi Pagapa pe.a. Sangma Sagini, the Tangapa death anniversary ko manini sumayo, Amaya hold up kin yang chanchets. The badalo ya go ya hall athabagapcha. Haida organize sakaparangan nami organize kana majahama ma publican pe.a. Sangma ko gwalingjo. Iba jebang po mangguni na nangat dukungan. Berbeda kalau ancik saktan cin biya pe.a. Sangma sagi Garo Hills na Meghalaya state aro northeast aro India kumbak nan bulshi so pre na batle tentang gada mo dungi biya jatna song na biya kamka mini contribution na achini Garo Hills na uncha Dapat aro northeast ni mandirang aro India kumbak ni mandirang tribal na Christian na talo mini absence ko feel kanya pe.a. Sangma dalo at maksud mo ko din tentang situation ng jeko dalo Christian ng unsa may tribal ng northeast ni mandirang face kaya chin dalo at ni northeast ko chanchap na madibon kancay nga dagpa situation ng gusto niya. Uri man alom notice ni kambag ni mandirang aro India ni mandirang pe.a. Sangma ni kang satani ko masina. Jebok po ayda may ba organization no paano ba problem mo kanya sila hay hingin kon. Diba nga request ka na sa mga organizing committee ni plak member ko. Dapat sa program ko organize ka ako de. At sa nami organize ka na naka. Respect ko sa mga naka. Ang gusto ka, government of Meghalaya decide ulit, pe.a. Sangma sagi ko iskra na, skang pa, J stadium kon biya takopri area bini MP scheme chi lak bini muksomani bini kham aro MP scheme ni tangkachi pe.a Sangma sangi wasumayo MP stadium jak semangachi MP stadium ko aro achini Garo Hills aro turao wasumayo stadium ni sabang prachi mamang state government support ko manjawa bini MP scheme aro wasumayo MP scheme crores asanji only 1 crore wan hangasi biya stadium ko biya thari naha turani aro Garo Hills ni mandirangna Oni बताओ यह स्टेडियम को मेघालय गवर्नमेंट appropriately जे मंदिर को थारिया हच बजे मंदिरी मुक्षवानी ची या को चुशुना मना हच या चुम्बता नचनी भागपा पे.a Sangma सागिनी बिमुची चिंगा दारू यह स्टेडियम को रीनेम का ओनी गमन यह स्टेडियम नी बिमंग दार पे pe.a Sangma Stadium here. Magapan acing sakancin biya RML junction ni takopri siya Rama up to Balungri. Ya Rama kuma pe.a Sangma sagi bini tang matengo aru bini local MLA matengo या को एक्सपेंड करना हो in fact 4 lane highway रखना 4 lane रामारा को थारी ना बिनी मुक्षवानी तो मच वाशुमायो 4 lane को सुसुकता मच्चा हा मायना तंग land acquisition की problem हमारी अच्छे देबाया रामा को 4 lane उजावा 1 lane उन्हीं double lane उना स्काउंट पे.a Sangma सगी भी सुमायो या रामा को चला थारी हा उन्हीं कमन Yaba bini kham ka achi ya Rama ko dige expect ka emang namat na mijawa ABT ke ni sumayo chna centuroni ko Iarangko section ka atimang almost around 20 crores from additional fund manage ka wala ka pa siya tang Rama ko tari chu aro wa Rama ko ba chna repair ka kragata unigaman pe.a Sangma sagi ko diskra na aro bini kham na ko diskra na Ya Rama ko ba RML junction ni via Takopri, Ikfai, Palongri up to NEC junction. Ya Rama ko around 4-5 kilometers Rama ko ka pe.a Sangma road nichna lim ka. Daru pe ya Rama ba pe.a Sangma road again. Another thing I was just telling everybody that we have named one road after Mr. pe.a Sangma in Tura, and we have named the stadium that he had made in the name of pe.a Sangma also. So the two names today, the road from RML to Takopri all the way to Balongri junction will be called pe.a Sangma Road, and the stadium, which used to be earlier called MP Stadium, and then the Mande Stadium, will now henceforth be called pe.a Sangma Stadium. We have also working on the guidelines and the vision that Mr. pe.a Sangma had for Garo Hills especially, since he was member of parliament for many years out here. There were few things that he wanted to do, which because he left us so early, he could not complete those works. One of them was starting the IAS coaching center for our children in Garo Hills. I'm happy to inform you that though we have not been able to start full-fledged direct training, but this year the government has started, and earlier with my MPC scheme, we had invested and started an IAS coaching center along with Don Bosco in the B.Ed college, and this center, in line with Mr. pe.a Sangma's dream, has also started. This is an online training center, and through my Chief Minister's Youth Development Fund, we have selected 100 children to be trained and given IAS coaching through that. So this is one of the dreams that he had, and I hope that in the coming years we will be able to strengthen this even further. Another dream that Mr. pe.a Sangma had, and which we always felt very strong for, was the fact that the tribals, and in this context, in the Garo culture, that there is no specific research institute, training institute that takes care or that documents or trains our youngsters on what the Garo culture is all about. pe.a Sangma sagi pangna nakat spaitin. Actually, Garo culture, custom Iarangko, Iarangko chin pangna Olakkina chin naga. Aru Iarangko research ka imong document ka naga. Mayroon Iarang gabay na ha. Unigaman is kamonin. Actually, Garo Tribal Research Institute tong na naga. Ang gaba bini suwani tuwat. Iarangko kamera ko sa hazard ni Sibonga Bulsio. Sa kamera ko apat sing ha babadam area. Debera ko sa susukat na matzaha. Ano pe.a Sangma sagi ba ang punya chin dia ba masyir ka tumakon. Diba wako sa sudo mo matchot na matzawa sumayo. Ano ba namin pusyo ka? Yabalshi Tribal Affairs Ministry through sanction ko matne Tribal Research Institute in Babadam area 41 crores ko Government of India china sanction ka. Yan Tribal Research Institute in Muksungani yan pe.a Sangma sagi Muksungani yan kunga. Aru yan Tribal Research Institute ko 41 crores shir kemang. Ajiya chikram ni tak bewar nako gembak ko chinga pangna. Aru yan plak ko Olakkina training ko na ya Tribal Research Institute chinga Muksungani yan. Yani sanction daw sa katam sarbiba puja nas kang sanction ko matna. Aru yani foundation stone ko sanction of 41 crores yani foundation stone ko knalo babadamo chinga sungin. So one other dream of Mr. pe.a Sangma was to have a tribal research institute in Garo Hills. And I'm happy to tell you that in 1 year of our government we have managed to get a sanction of 41 crores from Government of India Tribal Affairs Ministry to set up a tribal research institute in Babadam area, for which the foundation stone is going to be laid tomorrow. So this is another great achievement and another thing that we want to take forward in terms of the vision that late pe.a Sangma had. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. There are many more things that he had already planned, and I can tell you that he had literally made a roadmap for us. We did not realize that every time he was talking to us, he was telling us about a roadmap that he had. But now when we look back and we remember the stories he used to tell us, we can see that every statement and every sentence he used to speak to us was not simply a statement, but it was a roadmap that he had planned for Meghalaya state, for Northeast, for Garo Hills, and for the people of India in general. And even today, the ideas that he had, the roadmap that he had made is there ingrained in our minds. And we are simply executing and doing what he had planned. So I must say that a personality like him, even though he is not here with us today, the ideas that he had, the vision that he had, will always live on. And it is the duty of each and every one of us to ensure that we take his dreams and his vision forward, to ensure that we continue the work that he had started and complete the work that he started. And his vision of ensuring that the people of Northeast, especially our tribal people, should not be left behind, should move forward. And this has been a vision that he had always had. But having said that, obviously all of the people of Northeast are important. So we work together to ensure that the region as a whole moves forward. So with these few words, my friends, I once again thank each and every one of you for coming here. I'm sorry I took a lot of time, but these were a few things that I thought we must share. And I can assure you that even in the coming days and years and months, we will continue to do the work that Mr. P.a. Sangma had in mind. P.a. Sangma Foundation has been doing a lot of work, and Synod College and P.a. Sangma Foundation has been collaborating and really making a lot of programs successful. I thank you once again for the hard work that you're doing, and continue to keep the vision of late P.a. Sangma alive. And we can assure you that we will be working with you every step of the way to ensure that we take our state and our people forward. So with these few words, once again, thank you very much, and may God bless each and every one of you. Jai Hind, Kublai Shibun, Tela.